Your landlord just walked into your apartment without notice. No text, no call, no knock. In most places, that is illegal, but here's the problem. Most tenants don't know that, and some landlords count on it. Today, I'm walking you through exactly what your landlord can and cannot do. Entry rights, security deposits, and illegal eviction tactics. 3 areas. Clear rules. What to do when they cross the line. This is KanunPost, the law, delivered in plain English. What landlords can and cannot legally do. When a landlord does something that feels wrong, most tenants do the same thing. They Google it, get confused, and then do nothing, because they're not sure enough to push back. Meanwhile, the landlord has entered your home uninvited, kept a deposit for damage that was already there, or sent an eviction notice that may not even be legal. Millions of people absorb violations they never had to tolerate. The law is on your side far more than you probably think. Let's go through where landlords most commonly overstep, and exactly where your power is. 3 areas: entry, deposits, eviction. Can your landlord just walk in? Almost always no. The standard rule across most countries is 24 to 48 hours written notice before entry. United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, all follow this basic principle. And here's the key part. This is not just courtesy. It is a legal requirement. A landlord who enters without it may be committing unlawful entry, even though they own the building. Once you sign a lease, you have what's called quiet enjoyment. That means the right to live in your home without interference. Ownership of the building does not override that. 3 legitimate exceptions: genuine emergencies like a burst pipe or gas leak, suspected abandonment, or a court order. Outside of those, notice is required, the reason must be legitimate, and the time must be reasonable. If they enter without notice, document it immediately. Time. What happened? Photos if anything was disturbed. Send a written message, even a text. You entered today at time without the legally required notice. Please comply with the lease and applicable law going forward. That creates a record. If it keeps happening, you have grounds to escalate to your housing authority. Security deposits. This is where landlords make the most money from tenants illegally, and where most people have no idea they're being taken advantage of. Okay, so there are 3 rules that matter. Rule 1, your deposit cannot be used for normal wear and tear. Seriously, this is the most important line in this whole video. Carpet compression from walking, paint fading over time, small nail holes. These are normal. Your landlord cannot deduct them. Wear and tear means things like faded paint, small nail holes, scuffed floors from daily use. Actual damage, on the other hand, looks like large wall holes, burns in carpet, broken fixtures, or unauthorized alterations. Rule 2. They must return it on time. Most jurisdictions require return within 14 to 30 days of move-out. If they miss that deadline, in many places they owe you a penalty, sometimes 2 or even 3 times the original deposit amount. Rule 3. They must itemize every deduction. Cleaning is not an explanation. They have to tell you specifically what was deducted and why. No itemization? That often means the deductions wouldn't survive a challenge. So, protect yourself now. Record a video walkthrough on move-in day. Say the date, narrate every scuff and mark, and email it to your landlord. Do the same on move-out. That footage in a small claims case is honestly worth more than anything a lawyer could say. This last one matters most, because it doesn't just cost you money, it costs you your home. First thing to understand, eviction is a legal process. It is not a decision your landlord can make alone. They have to go through the courts. Every step has rules. 4 things your landlord can never do, regardless of what they think you owe. 1. Change your locks. A lockout without a court order is an illegal eviction in almost every jurisdiction. You may have the right to immediate re-entry and damages. 2. Remove your belongings. Even if you're behind on rent. Even if the lease has ended. Disposing of a tenant's property without legal authority is theft. 3. Cut off utilities. No heat, no water, no electricity as a pressure tactic is called constructive eviction. It is illegal, and courts treat it very seriously. 4. Harass or threaten you into leaving. Repeated uninvited visits, aggressive messages, threats, These can constitute illegal harassment. The legal eviction process goes written notice, then court filing, then hearing, then judgment, and finally enforcement. That takes weeks, often months. If a landlord tells you to be out by Friday and hasn't served you proper legal notice, that is not enforceable. Do not panic, do not move. Get your local tenant resources on the phone. 3 things to take from this. 1. Your lease runs both ways. Your landlord signed it too. They have obligations, and when they fail to meet them, that matters legally. 2. Documentation is your best weapon. A video, a text, a time-stamped email. These win cases. Start the habit now, before you ever need it. 3. Most violations go unchallenged because tenants don't know their options. Housing authority complaints, small claims court, civil action. The law gives you real tools. Knowing your rights doesn't make you difficult. It makes you protected. One thing to do right now, record a quick video walkthrough of your place. Narrate it, note the date, email it to yourself. 10 minutes could save you thousands. If this helped, subscribe to KanunPost. We publish twice a week, plain English legal breakdowns, no jargon. Hit like, and drop your landlord questions in the comments. I read every one. Before you go, next week we're covering something millions of employees have completely forgotten they signed, a non-compete agreement, and in many places it may not be worth anything. We're breaking down when they're enforceable, when courts throw them out, and what to check before your next career move. That drops Friday. Subscribe so you don't miss it. KanunPost. The law. Delivered.